can open your Ptrs book to the page 116. Okay, we are going to look at the measures of dispersion for group data. Okay, the data in the diagram shows the age in years of 45 tourists to Japan. Okay, using the data in the diagram, complete the frequency table in the answer space. Okay, so it's given to you what? The class interval already is easy for you lah to do. Right, so 20, start from 20 yeah. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It's going to be 5 there. Okay, so means that if we are going to have for the others over here, it's going to be 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, then 50 to 54. Okay, now if we are going to find our midpoint, plus together divided by 2. So 20 plus 24 is 44. Divided by 2, you are going to get 22. 25 plus 29 is going to be 27. This one 32, 37, 42, 47, 52. This one, the frequency, we have to look at our table here. Okay, so I need to copy first. Wait, yeah. So it's easy for me to look for the frequency. Okay. Okay. You are going to refer to your table, but I'm going to refer my table over here lah. Okay, so 20 to 24. Okay, so 20 to 24. We do 20 to 24. 1. Mana lagi? 2, 3, 3, where? 4, 5, 6. Is it? 6? Okay, we go for 6 first. Okay, 5 to 29. You are going to have 25 to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. Okay. 30 to 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8. Wow, 6, 7, 8. Are you sure? Okay. Check. 30 to 34. Is it 8? Yeah. Okay. Next one going to be 35 to 39. 35 to 39 is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 only. Oh, not 9 Kalau tidak 6, 7, 8, 9 Okay, next one going to be 40 to 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. Okay, then 45 to 49. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where? 5. Okay, 5. And last but not least going to be 1, 2, 3. So that's how you are going to cross out to find our frequency. Okay, done for that one. Got 4 marks given. Based on our frequency table, you are going to determine our state, the model class. What is going to be for model class over here? We are going to look at our highest frequency. Is going to be 10, right? But it's asking for the class. So you are going to look over here. It's going to be 35 to 39. That's going to be your answer for our B1 here. 35 to 39. Calculate the mean age in years for a tourist. Okay. So, how to find our frequency? How to find our mean over here? You are going to find here by using our formula of the mean. This one is going to be X bar, right? Mean. It's going to be the total of frequency times with our midpoint divided by total of frequency. That's going to be your formula. What is F? F is frequency. What is X? X is going to be midpoint. This one we have to times first. So means what? Means what I'm going to do first, I'm going to have the other one. The other table over here. Which is, alamak. I'm going to extend my table over here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one I'm going to find for F times X. So F times X, which means frequency here is 6 times with 22. 100. 132. 7 times 27. What do you get? 189. 8 times 32. 256. 370. 42 times 6. 252. 47 times 5. 235. 52 times 3. 156. So now what we are going to do here, I'm going to total up sum of our frequency over here. And for the frequency, actually, we can have over here lah, girls. It's gonna be, alamak. Wait. Mana dia? You can have it over here. This is gonna be our what? Total of frequency there. Or you can have it sum all our frequency there. Also, you're gonna get 40, 45 lah. So sum of frequency fx, what do you get? 1590. Everyone got the same? Yes, 1590 divided by 45. So your mean here going to be 35 point. 0.3 only. 333 or 33 lah. I thought 0. Okay. So this is gonna be for our B2. Oh, zoom in. Okay, too blind. It's not blind. Yeah. Wait. Let me pause first. Your question is out of the world. Okay, that's for our B2. Now, if you look over here, this one should be in your exam. But we don't know lah. What type of graph is going to be, what type of our statistic graph is going to be asking in our exam. For this one, using a scale of 2 centimeter to 5 years, on the x-axis, 2 centimeter to 1 Ptrs on the y-axis. Draw a histogram. Okay. Oh, it's given to us the graph paper provided on page 117. Okay. So what we are going to do first, if you look over here, I'm going to use the x-axis. I'm going to use what? Yeah. I'm going to use what? The midpoint. Right. And how about our what? Our y-axis. I'm going to use what? Yes, the frequency there. Okay. You must determine first what you are going to have over there. If not what? If not, when you say, 2 centimeter to 5 years. So you are going to have multiple 5. 5, 10, 15. Is it correct? Correct. But it's not going to fit. Not enough with your midpoint there. Can girls? Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this one first. Tak cukup Ya ke? Mari tengok. Tak cukup, kita cukupkan. What is moving? What's moving? Okay. So, kenapa nak ambil semua? Okay, so just now we know that we are going to have our x-axis is going to be our midpoint. So we are going to take our ruler and make your axis first. X-axis. So I'm going to have over here the green one. Tak straight. Tak cukup ke? Siannya tak cukup. Sekejap lah. The frequency is green. Frequency is orange. Midpoint is green. So I'm going to start with 2 centimeter, right? So what is 2 centimeter here? 22, 20 apa? 27. Aik pula dah. Kenapa aik? 32, 37, 42, 47, 52, 57. Cukup lah. Come again? Yalah, yes lah, age. 5 lah. 22 to 27. 22, 23, 24, 20. That's why I said just now. 22 plus 5, 27 lah. 27 plus 5, 32. Right. Same goes to our multiple of 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Then for our frequency, is it going to be multiple? No need. You just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This come again? Cannot. Because origin is going to be 0 actually. How come you are not going to fit? It's going to be the same with me. Can. Only you cannot plot. Only you cannot plot out of margin there. Means that if you are going to plot outside here, so for example, this one cannot lah. It's going to be outside from your graph. Cannot. What? Okay. So it's going to be enough lah. Okay, next what we are going to do here, we are going to plot. First is going to be 22 with 6. Then you are going to have 27 with 7. Then we are going to have 32 with 8. Then you are going to have 37 with 10. Then you have 42 with 6. 42 with 6. Then 47 with 5. Then, 52 with 3. Okay. Remember, we are going to do what? Histo, right? Not histo, right? Histogram. Okay. So, just make our... how to do histo? Girls? How to do your histo? Straight line. Make a straight line. Straight line. Apa? Sakit tangan? Oh. Okay, I do the straight line first. I do the straight line first. Later we are going to do the horizontal here.
Wait, sit up saya buat berapa tau? 30 kot, 30 I buat 41. Okay.
Okay. Oh, this one. What happened if I don't have my line over here? We are going to extend this one. This one we have to extend.
Last one cancel.
No. Ni. Because 10 to 6 over here. Apa dia Pavitra? Pavitra is nothing. Lama. My line is not. Oh, the last one, yes. This one I have to extend. This one I have to extend. If not, you are not going to get your square there. Not square lah, rectangle tu. Dia punya apa dia? Bar chart tu kan? Bar chart Chocolate bar. Oi. Okay, done. Zoom out. Oh, I forgot to do what?
X and Y.
Label. Label the x's. So for our x here should be what? Not midpoint. This one is going to be our h. Right? And for that one going to be our frequency. Is it okay if we just write f? F can. Okay, done for your histogram. Okay, so we going to do this one done, For number 1, going to get 13F, 12 marks. 12 marks given. Okay, we are going to look at our next question over here. Okay, the table shows the number of words that can be typed by a group of 32 participants of a typing and shorthand course in 3 minutes. Okay, complete the frequency table in the answer space. For the first one, it's going to be upper boundary. Okay, so if we are going to find upper boundary, we are going to refer to our class interval there. So if you look over here, for the upper, supposedly it's going to be start with lower lah. Right, okay, no problem. 15, you are going to plus with 16, then you are going to divide it by 2, yes. 15 plus with 16 divided by 2, you are going to get 15.5. That's going to be for your upper boundary. If we are going to find for the lower boundary, how? Okay, for the class interval over here is 1. We are going to look what? Previous one is going to be what? 0. So you're going to get over here 0 plus 1 divided by 2. So you're going to get 0.5. The upper boundary, okay, the upper boundary for the previous class interval is going to be the lower boundary for our next class interval. What does it mean? Just copy over here. This one, 15.5. Means that your upper boundary next is going to be what? 30 plus with 31 divided by 2. What? You get 30.5. And you are going to copy over here 30.5 lah. Right? All you want to find? No problem. Proceed. No problem. Can girls? Okay, then this one 45 plus with 46 divided by 2, 45.5, isn't it? Yeah. So you are going to get the lower boundary for the next one also going to be 45.5. Then for the next one here you are going to get 60.5. This one going to be 60.5. Next one you are going to get, yes, 75.5. This one should be 75.5. Yes, 90.5. 2 marks given. 1 incorrect, finish your marks there. Means that one of our boundary there, if you are got incorrect, so finish lah your 2 marks there. Okay, next one. How to find our model class? So it's gonna be for the highest frequency. So which one? 61 to 75. That's gonna be our model class. 1 marks given. Straight away. Using a scale of 2 cm to 15 words on the x-axis and 2 cm to a participant on the y-axis, construct a histogram again to represent the information on the graph paper provided on page 19. Okay, so you are going to use what over here, girls? Our x-axis words. So how? 2 cm to 15. So you are going to get over there. We are going to use lower boundary and upper boundary, kan? Wait. Kalau yang ni guna lower boundary, yang ni guna midpoint, so means that supposedly wait. If this one is gonna be our midpoint, garis sana. Yeah. This one supposedly our boundary, kan? Takkan nak pakai boundary. The answer is using the midpoint. Is using midpoint. But the midpoint is going to be the midpoint. Okay. Jangan marah saya. No. The midpoint is correct, but you are going to get the what? The bar chart there supposedly going to be not to our midpoint. Okay, let me explain. Sorry. Let me explain. Okay. Betul. Just okay. Let me, because after I got the what? The lower boundary and upper boundary, now I realize what happened here. Okay, look. Because we are using this one as midpoint, right? So means that our histo going to be between to our midpoint here. Means what? Means that, okay, the one that we are going to get over here, this one is going to be your lower boundary. This one going to be upper boundary. Midpoint, kan? The midpoint. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So everything here also we are going to get the same. Midpoint. Nama pun midpoint lah. Okay, we do mistake, but we are not going to repeat the mistake later. So this one how come? 32. Mana 37? 10. Kat atas. There. Okay. In the middle. Kan? This one also in the middle. This one also in the middle. Okay, because we using midpoint. So this one also not going to be at the edge of our graph paper lah. It's going to be in the middle also. Okay, so sorry. Okay, because it's going to be what we call using midpoint. I realize after what? The second question is using what? Lower boundary and upper boundary. Okay, ini takut lama, so I pause first. For our first one histogram lah, because we using midpoint. Means for our second one over here, mana dia? Oh, kat bawah ni ke saya kena tulis? Saya buat kat atas. Tak apalah. Okay, we are going to use our upper boundary, lower boundary, and also our frequency to have our histogram. Okay, so this is going to be the second question. Okay, so it say what? It say that it's going to be 2 centimeter to 15, isn't it? 2 centimeter to 15 words. If you look over here, your lower boundary and upper boundary, is it going to be 15? 15.5 minus with 0.5, is it going to be 15?
Yeah.
Yep. So we are going to get our lower boundary first, which is you are going to start with 0.5. Apa? Okay. Right? Why cannot draw? So lower boundary 2 cm kan? Ya 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 0.5 15.5 30.5.
So macam mana nak tahu yang X punya, yang Y punya?
X punya, Y punya apa?
Y axis, S axis.
Oh, frequency actually is going to be for the y-axis frequency. Usually frequency is going to be y-axis. 45.5, 60.5, 70.5, 75.5. Yes, lastly it's going to be 90.5. Okay, and then for the y-axis over here is using what? What is the scales given in our question? 2 centimeter to a participants. What does it mean by a participants? Yes. So you are going to get over here every 2 centimeter. You're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Going to be the highest one. So this is going to be for our x-axis. This one is going to be what? Our participants and the number of word types. Okay. Yes. Lower boundary and upper boundary lah. There. 0.5 is going to be lower boundary for our first bar chart over here, our histogram. This is lower, this is upper for this one. Means that this one going to be lower and this is going to be upper for this one.
Sir, for the upper lower boundary, is it 2 cm?
2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Okay, so what we are going to do here, we are going to have for this one is going to be for the number of types. Number of types. This one we are going to get our frequency. Okay, so we are going to plot over here 0.5 and 15.5. We are going to get 2. So means if you look over here, we are going to have from 0.5 and 15.5 over here. I'm going to plot here as 2. So means that this one and this one. Then for our 15.5 to 30.5 here, we are going to get 4. So means that 30.5 here, I'm going to get 4. 45.5, here we are going to get 6. Why I start with 2 there? Because that's going to be for the this one. Girls, it's going to be this one. 0.5 to 15.5, you are going to get 2, right? The frequency. So this is going to be your box here. The what? The bar chart here. If you are saying 0.5 is going to be 2 only, so 15.5, if you are going to say it's going to be 4 also can. Because this one later you are going to have the what? The rectangle here, right? This also can. One baca is going to be for our lower and upper. Supposedly lah. Okay. But if you are going to have over here like 45.5, straightway 6, 60.5, we are going to get 8 straightway. But later we are going to have our what? Our bar chart there. 75.5 here, we are going to get 9. 90.5, we are going to get 3. Okay, so if you look over here, if I want to draw my, what we call, histogram here. First, I'm going to do this one. Okay. If we are going to have only this one, okay, this is going to be for the frequency here is going to be 2. Okay. So the next one should be 4, isn't it? So when it's going to be 4, so the line that we are going to extend here from our 15.5, we have to extend. If not, you are not going to get the histogram here. Understood? Girls?
Yes.
So this one, everything, I'm gonna make the vertical line first. So I'm gonna extend it first. Okay. Apa dia? Lapar.
Oh, lapar. Aku dengar apa tau, nampak. So, macam ni.
Yeah, I heard also nampak. Then, okay, so if you remember just now, number 1, we done our what? By using our midpoint, isn't it? Okay, midpoint is going to be where? Here.
Middle.
Yeah.
Middle.
In the middle here is going to be our midpoint. If you are going to find midpoint, look back at our class interval. Where our class interval? If you look back, your class interval is going to be 1 to 15, right?
Yes.
So if you are going to find our midpoint, it's going to be what?
1 plus 15.
Divided by 2. What do you get?
16 divided by 2.
8.
8.
Ah. Apa dia pula salah saya? So if you if you look over here, is it going to be 8?
Yes.
Oh, you know?
I see.
This one is going to be 15, isn't it?
Yes.
For our 10.
8.
So 15 divided by 10 is going to be 1.5. 1.5 means that it's going to be for 1 square. So 1.5 plus 1.5 is going to be 3 here.
3.
So means that 0.5 plus 3. 0.5 plus 3 plus.
3.5. What?
Yeah, 3.5. So means that another 3.
6.5.
Another 1.5.
8.3.
That your middle, your midpoint 8. Just now you find we have midpoint 8, right?
Yes.
So you got 8 already. So you know that for histogram, we are going to use lower boundary, upper boundary, or you are going to use midpoint. But make sure midpoint is going to be midpoint lah. Yeah. Okay. Just now we make a mistake just now. Not we. I do the mistake. I know. Okay. That's for our second question. Any question? Second question. Any question? Okay. So we proceed. Apa yang susah? Oh. Okay, so from the D adalah one more question. Shape of the histogram. What shape? Not like this. Yep. Is it going to be bell? No. Skewed, right? Skewed to the right or left? I think this one's going to be skewed to the left. Yes, skewed to the left. Okay. Then for our second question. Okay, 15. For 15 pula. The third question. Ramlan is a chicken farmer. He is rearing ternak 200 chicken at one time. Just now you said chicken is expensive. The frequency table below shows the total number of eggs produced from his farm in 3 months. Okay, we have number of eggs and girls.
Yes.
It's not given frequency, it's given to us the cumulative. When become cumulative, what we are going to have over here, we are going to have our ogive actually. Using draw a cumulative histogram. It said cumulative histogram. Then we are going to construct an ogive. First we are going to have our cumulative histogram. Then on the same graph, we are going to construct an ogive. Okay. So means what you are going to do? Okay, it's given already. We are going to find lower boundary and upper boundary. So if you look over here, lower boundary first. 21 plus 20 divided by 2. 20.5. Upper 30.5. So this one copy back. So this one you are gonna get 40.5. Copy back over here 40.5. And this one is gonna be 50.5. 50.5. So you are gonna get this one is gonna be 60.5. 60.5 is gonna be here. So you're gonna get 70.5. 70.5 over here. So last one is gonna be 80.5. That's gonna be for your boundary. Why we need boundary? Because we are going to draw our histogram. Histogram. But this one we are using what? Cumulative frequency. Means that your what? Your histogram is going to be increasing. Because it's going to be cumulative. Cumulative nak bagi macam mana tu dia dah bagi. Nak cari if cumulative means that, okay, good question. If girls, if the questions give to us frequency, to find our cumulative frequency, we are going to add up. Means that you get 2. You are going to copy 2. Then we are going to plus 4. You are going to get 6. Plus 6, 12. Plus 8, 20. Plus 9, 29. Plus 3, 31. Nah, itu kita akan dapat cumulative. But for our question here is already given, so you are going to use straight away the cumulative frequency and also our boundary. Yeah. Okay. Ini dia. Yeah, I know. Wait. Let us finish this one. Alah, really pun. Alah. Kelangkar, bu. I know your schedule already, your timetable. Yeah, we finish this one. We finish this one. Can, right? Can lah. One graph only. We do this one, then finish. Tak nak lah buat half. Apa dia? Boy nak buat kimia kau. Sabarlah. Okay, so this is going to be, saya tak tengok scale lah. Scale. Using a scale 2 cm to 15x on the x-axis. Is it going to be 15, 20 to 30? 10 kan? Kenapa dia kata x-axis 2 cm to 15x? 2 cm to 15x. And then 2 cm to 20 chicken. Okay, 20 chicken okay lah. Apa? Supposedly it's going to be what? 10 kan? Girls? If we look over here, going to be 10 lah. Mana boleh ni? Tak boleh. I put 10 lah. Saya suka hati je ubah. Sebab if you look lower boundary and upper boundary is going to be 10. So if you look, we are going to start with our 20.5, 30.5, 40.5, 50.5, 60.5, 70.5, 80.5. And then for the y-axis, it say here 2 cm to 20. Ni boleh lah. Because the highest one we are going to get 200 there. Is it enough? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 102, 140, 160, 180, muat 200. Okay, so next, what should we do? Plot. So plot for 20.5, you are going to get 20 here. Then 30.5 is going to be 56. Okay. Yang ni nak kena cari tengah-tengah. Bukan tengah lah. Where's our 50 first? 50 is going to be here. Means that 56 is going to be 1, 2, 3. 3 square there. Right? Then 40.5 is going to be 120. Then 178. How to do 178? 170 is going to be in the middle. So means that 178 is going to be for the fourth square there. Then 194. 194. So 190 is going to be in the middle. 94, you are going to get 2 square, right? 2 square to the above there. Then 70.5 over here, I'm going to get 200. So this one also 200 lah. Okay, so you are going to construct your what? Cumulative histogram first. Tengok soalan. Cumulative histogram kan? Have you done? Dah? Wah, lajunya. Wait.
I have been struggling since I was standard 1, sir.
Standard 1?
Struggle what? Sir, you want to know something?
Yes.
I want to rant now.
You want to cry?
No, I want to rant to you.
Rant me?
No, rant.
Why?
Sir, I was standard 6 or 5, sir.
Ah.
Okay. Saya kan ada hair kat sini kan.
What was that?
Rambut kat sini kan.
Huh?
Kan? So, adalah satu.
Your crush?
No,
Okay. Okay. Oh, Chinese boy.
tak.
Okay.
So, I'm not from Western school.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay.
So, and then kan, he said I look like Ajit Kumar, sir. Look like what? Ajit Kumar, sir.
Ajay Kumar.
Sir, you're like...
Not the what? The telepathy. Like this. Oh no, Not the Leo lah. Not Leo also lah. Okay, so this is gonna be our cumulative histogram. Duduklah dulu. Hey. Okay, from the question is asking what? From the cumulative histogram, we are going to construct on the same graph there. See. But this one only one marks given. Why? It's only 1 marks because already plotted there. Where? If you look there, you are going to have what? We are going to get only from 0. You are going to get the 0 here, but we are going to get this one. Starting from 0, everything here. Sorry, I'm going to do this one as our plotted. So this one, everything here. Yes. So, Ogif. Okay. So then, what you are going to do? Make a S. Alamak terbabas. Okay. Yes. Okay, we will start from here. Come again. Also can. Hey. Tak cantik. Yay! That's my Augie. Not finished yet. One more. Last question. D. From thank you dah. Okay, from the Augie, find our 13 percentile. What is 13? 13. 1 over is gonna be from our cumulative here is 200. So 13 here. So you are going to take from our graph here. So where's your 13 here? 13. So this one. Kan? Ya lah. Dia one 50 lah. Suka hati aku je. Sorry, this one 30. Okay, so you are going to get. Please read for me. Is gonna be? Just now? Zoom in. There. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna be 34.5 lah. This is gonna be for our 13 percentile. 34.5. Then what you are going to get for our mana dia? The third quartile. What is the third quartile? Third quartile here is going to be 3 over 4 times by 200. So 4 with 200 is going to be 50. So 150. So where's your 150? Where? Here. 150. So by using your ruler, 150 is gonna be mana dia? Down. Oh, I got middle. No. Third quartile. From our end here is going to be the cumulative we have here. This is going to be our end. So if first quartile is going to be 1 over 4 times n. If median, second quartile. This one is going to be from 4, right? We done yesterday, sorry. 3 over 4. 200. N is 200. So this one I'm gonna get 51, 2, 3, 54.5. Okay, that's all for today. Hola.